All right, this is MGM Designs, and we're back at it again with another repair. So here we have the 8th generation Honda Accord LX, and basically what we're doing is replacing the tail light assemblies. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the rear bumper, and what we're going to see near the rear wheel well is a screw. It's going to be a Phillips head screw. You're going to take this screw off, and it's going to be facing in the upwards direction. You're going to take that off and pry the bumper backwards, and then after that it's going to basically reveal two screws that are directly under the tail lights turn signal and reverse light, and the next and the final screw to take that part of the bumper off is going to be a Torx bit. Sometimes it might be a hex bit, and that's going to be right underneath the trunk. So without further ado, let's get started. So basically what we're doing here is we're gonna use either a Phillips screwdriver or an impact wrench, and we're gonna take these four screws off. And I found that these ones that were under the turn signal, those were a 10 millimeter. And so on the interior, we're gonna be loosening up all four of the nuts that hold on the taillight assembly from the inside. So basically there's a piece of carpet, they're gonna have to pull it back here and then take those four nuts off. And basically, as you can see, after you disconnect the electrical connections, that taillight assembly, it disconnects nice and all in one piece. And as you can see, it's best to check for moisture or any debris or anything to make sure that if anything is stuck back there, just so you can clean. And then after you do that, you're gonna want to go around the edges of the mounting area and clean it. Make sure there's no dirt, there's no leaves, any dead bugs or anything like that, as those could interfere with electrical connections. And now, as you can see, here's the new one. This is it's basically an LED wraparound, so it has all LED integrated. There's no need for bulbs for at least the brake light bulb. That's all in one piece. There's gonna be a 7440 or a 7443 connection to make it, and it's gonna go in nice and flush the same way that the old one came out. And you're gonna use the same bolts that we had before to put it to reinstall it, and those should fit nice and snug. And now we're gonna do the inside ones. So now those same nuts that you took off, save those and reinstall them with the on the threads of the new headlight assembly. I mean of the new tail light assembly rather. And so once you do those, tighten those down nice and snug, and if they're not tight enough, use a ratchet to secure them. And then once everything is nice and back in order, then you can, secure that bumper, that little bolt that goes on the bumper, and it should be nice and good. And then after that, what we're gonna do on the inside with the electrical areas, there's gonna be a light bulb, the light bulb that you have from the old enclosure. That 7443 connection that comes from the rear of the main taillight assembly, that's gonna go into your brake light bulb socket. And the others, where the tail light are and the reverse light, those are gonna go in just as normal. You don't have any need to replace those. And so on the other side, we're gonna repeat that process and do exactly the same thing. On some vehicles, sometimes it might be different, but in this case, it's the exact same process on the left side as it is on the right side. And the crazy thing is the left side of my car, I'd actually got into an accident a couple of years ago where this part of the quarter panel was completely disfigured, but my body shop, they were able to get it back. And they're able to get it to where you could marry these taillight assemblies back together almost seamlessly. I don't know how they did it, but they did it, and it works perfectly fine now. And so as you can see, the new one fits nice and snug. And if anything, just make sure that you tighten up any loose ends, and if something can't fit, don't force it. And here, as you see, this is what it looks like when everything is turned on together. And really nice upgrade to the originals, as the originals, they were cracking. There were some signs of wear, because all of these taillight assemblies. These are both the original taillight assemblies that came with the car, and you know, pretty much that's all. You know, I'm gonna be doing my headlight assembly soon, for the second time, because I have a video on the taillight assemblies for the from before, where I replaced one side, and you know, pretty much I'm gonna be doing the other side. I'm gonna be replacing those with sequential headlights as well. So if you got any value out of this video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if anything, guys, I'll see you in the next video. You know, take care.